Hi there, George is here, and today I want to propagate my bamboo, which is Mosso bamboo, and I did grow this from seed. And decided to divide a bamboo shoot, plant in another pot, because that pot I want to give to a friend. And I decided to divide this shoot. Well, these two I will see how I will do that. So let's start this experiment. And I have instruments here, and let's try. It's not easy to do that. I can see it's very deep, this rhizome. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, this is so deep. Success! This I have to cut. Oh, look at the lovely root system, gorgeous. Let's take a look on the rhizomes. They're close up. And I wanted one shoot to propagate, but I propagated already, two shoots. As you can see, this one I divided from this. And well, they are so long, as you can see. Lovely leaves as well, have to plant already. Look at the leaves, are gorgeous. So now let's start planting, and here are the pots. And as you can see, this is more big, like this one. And this big I have to plant this with many rhizomes. And potting soil I have to use pH 6. The bamboo likes that pH, so let's add potting soil in the pots. It's time for planting this bamboo. This pot is small, I think, but anyway I will have to plant in it, and after that, if we'll grow something, I will have to plant in another pot. Now let's plant the second one. Now it's time for watering them with rainwater, and then I will have to put a wooden support. Here we go, this is the final result, and now waiting for grow new shoots, and we'll see when will grow. So this one with many leaves I will have to give to my friend, but after a few weeks or months I will see. And this one is beautiful too, and I will grow myself this one. And waiting for grow new shoots, then I will have to plant it in the garden. So just you will see update. Thanks a lot for watching this video to the end. George was here, and bye bye.